Okay, it's day 4, and I've just set up the 3D on the projector so you can see you get the different view through the right and left lens. And it looks pretty great just being up this close. And if you stand back in the gallery, you can get stuff coming right over people's heads. So I think with a 2D view, obviously you see the double image. But with the 3D glasses, you get proper 3D. And so you can see that put the stars at infinity by having them 2.5 inches apart. So it's looking really good. So come out and see it. For day 4 install at Metaverse, I thought I'd show a little bit about this Tinktube system I use, which I'm very fond of. So you start by making like a very simple sketch of what you want to do. And what I'm trying to create is kind of an interactive iPad station like this that rolls around on casters. So this is my first prototype, and I decided to make one with a long throw lens and a mirror. And this one we're building today will be a short throw lens with a mirror. So the first thing you do is you figure out all the pipes and fittings you need, and then you cut them to the length. So you see the lengths there. And then I cut all these tubes with a pipe cutter, and I've labeled them so I can start to assemble it. So I'm going to start to assemble it and take a few shots. Okay, the very first step was figuring out how to mount the projector. So I use these H15 and H16 clamps and just screw it in with a M5 thing. So it makes a very sturdy mount, and that's how you attach things in the Tinktube system. Attach the two side-to-side bars with T couplings. Then we complete the base by putting the side bars Q and T. So that's all at the level of the bottom of the projector, which makes a very stable base. Repeat the same base construction with the electronic module working from the bottom to build the base layer. The side members that go sideways. Base is complete for the electronics module with the 4.5 pieces. And so now we can add the up and down pieces. With both the projector base and the EM base coplanar, we're now ready to try to mate them together with the uprights. The two units are mated, but the top is still loose, and we'll have to adjust move up the projector to get to the proper height. Okay, now we have the projector at approximately the right height, and we just have to finish off the mirror mount and the iPad mount.